Hi, my name is Artem Mirolovich. I'm a New York-based artist, and I invite you to dive into Multiverse. Multiverse is a multimedia immersive installation created by Dmitry Teryokhsvyatsky and myself. Dmitry and I have been working together for the last 2 years and showcased our first collaboration work in Venice, Italy for the Venice Biennale in the summer of 2019. And today we present to you the new chapter of Multiverse, which is currently featured at Denis Leon Gallery in Southampton, New York. Multiverse combines large-scale oils with the projection mapping, film, and soundtrack. The soundtrack is created by an algorithm specifically created by Dmitry to read the composition and the brush strokes of the oil painting and to transform it into a soundtrack. The Tree of Life is the concept that I've been working with for the last 15 years of my life. I created a lot of paintings, etchings, and various two-dimensional works of art related to it. And it's the first time that Dmitry and I took the Tree of Life into Multiverse and created a three-dimensional experience that explains the whole series better than any press release can do, because you're just there physically and you are experiencing everything that I thought about while I was creating the painting. And it's not just me, it's two minds who put together, as can be brilliantly seen in our soundtrack. It's also interesting because each painting has its own emotional background, and it's clearly seen in the soundtrack because it's an algorithm that reads the painting under Dmitry's careful guidance and transforms it into the sound that really takes you there, as well as the video and the two-dimensional artwork does. Eternal Heart was created about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, and it was created for the Hearts series and was the largest painting out of that series, and that's why Dmitry and I decided to use it for the multimedia installation, the Multiverse. It lended itself incredibly well. It not only translates one media into another, it also explains it, because all the ideas and all the thoughts that I had while I was creating the painting were then verbally translated to friend Dmitry, with whom we worked on the video together. It could actually be much more visible in our second installation, the Tree of Life. Because while I was working on the Tree of Life, I was thinking of, you see the Tree of Life, the crown of the tree is in the clouds, and the roots of the tree are also in the clouds. So you can't really tell what season it is, if it has a season or not. But I was definitely thinking about the seasons. First of all, the Tree of Life for me is a kind of a concept of the universe. So I was thinking about the universe and how it transforms into seasons and on and on and on. So the first step of the process is to create an oil painting. The oil painting serves as a jumping point for the whole installation. Let's take Eternal Heart, for example. The painting took me 3 to 4 months to complete. It was a fun, creative process, and while I was working on the painting, Dmitry and I already started thinking about the video and video mapping that will manifest into multi-universe. We invite you to dive into Multiverse and discover for yourself the birth of creative universe. Be immersed with us.